What is VLOOKUP function? VLOOKUP function is used to look up a value in a leftmost column of a selected table. There are 4 arguments of a VLOOKUP function as follows. Lookup value, it is the value to be found in first column of the table. Table array, it is reference, absolute or relative, to a range or a range name. COL index number, it is the column number in the table array. Range lookup, it is the logical value either true or false, true, to find the closest match in the first column, false, to find the exact match. Uses of VLOOKUP function. It can be used to get the candidate's full name on the basis of candidate's number. It can be used to get the job description on the basis of job code. It can also be used to get the student's marks on the basis of candidate's number.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button.